This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Private mountain retreat on 6.42 acres. Amazing long-range mountain views with some tree trimming. If peace is what you are looking for, look no further. Open floor plan with kitchen and dining room opens to the family room with cathedral ceilings. Laundry on main. Master suite on the upper level with private bath and private deck. Terrace level has a finished bathroom and is ready for you to put your finishing touches with a bedroom, game room, and level walkout to the perfect location for a hot tub and fire pit. The only restriction is no mobile homes. Note the home is being sold as is with the right to inspect. For more information, review the details below or contact Roger Remington at 678-358